Namaskar, good morning, Ram Ram. Welcome to your own channel, Orchestra English. As usual, today is Sunday, and Sunday is my no astrology day, but still today's video is so beautiful that this 20-30 minutes will give you a deep knowledge and intense power. How? Because today I'm going to talk about the hidden power, the mantra power. As we are in India, we know about the mantras, we chant mantras, but the people who are in the Western countries, for whom I do the consultations from US, from France, you know, when I talk to them, I feel that maybe somewhere they don't know the power of mantra or the logic or the science behind this. Even maybe, if you are living in India, maybe you know the mantras, but you know the scientific logic for the mantras and how that is astrologically connected. And the most important, this video will tell you how you can make your ascendant super strong. Why? What is ascendant? Me, myself. In birth chart, ascendant is me, myself. So I should be the super strong, so I able to face the all challenges. But which mantra will make you and how much you need to recite as per your ascendant? This is very important. First of all, the hidden power, the mantra power, Sunday morning today in India, and the beautiful day and the beautiful video, which is my responsibility because I do lots of consultation. The people who don't approach me or don't come to me or they only see the video, I want this video for all the family members across the world. At sitting at home, they can make their ascendant a super strong. So kindly watch this video. This is not prediction, but not less than prediction. Thank you very much. So let's start the video. But before this, a monthly horoscope, March monthly horoscope. That's I all set. The March month is so beautiful. There are Navratras, there is Holi, so many other festivals. So I'm making this presentation in such a way that you can plan your March as a prediction wise, as a festival wise, what you need to do. So this is very, major presentation I'm making. So it is taking time. So complete guide for month. Hopefully, if God blesses me, Monday morning, India time, 7 a.m., you will get your favorite video, March monthly. And now the let's starts with this the mantra siddhi, the mantra power of astrology. What is mantra power in astrology? You must know this thing. I will start this video. But before this, I thank you all of you for the beautiful, beautiful response, blessings, so many things from any part of world. Thank you very much. Okay, now the mantra power. In Vedic astrology, mantras are considered the medicine of the planetary radiation affecting your life. I always say my clients when they talk to me, oh, you've seen my chart very good. You are saying right. You are saying right. I say, astrologer is like a doctor. I am seeing your chart. You are saying right. But the medicine which I will give you in the form of mantras, in the form of pics, in the form of certain other things, kindly do this. Because until or unless you will eat the medicine, you know, what is the meaning of going to the doctor if you're not taking the medicine? So mantras are like the medicine. So while your horoscope is the diagnosis, the map of your karma, and the mantras are the treatment, maybe slow but very permanent treatment. In simple terms, mantras are like the sound therapy of your life. Think of your horoscope as a map that shows where the weather will be bad, but the mantras are the umbrella or the heater, whatever you can say. So which can save you from this bad weather. Now you have to open this umbrella. And what next? What science say about this? Now this is very important because the basically people want to know the science behind the everything to make their faith in the mantras. So the science of a sound frequency, it is another yoga. Every planet has a specific vibration or frequency. Every planet. Mars vibrates at hot, fast frequency, but Saturn vibrates at a cold, slow frequency. And the remedy, when you chant a mantra, you create a sound wave that resonates with that planet. It's like noise cancelling headphones. If Mars is giving you harsh energy, anger, accident, The Mars mantra creates a frequency that smoothens those waves and neutralizing the negative impact. This I've seen in my life also. And the rewriting the subconscious pattern, sanskars. Astrology shows your prarabdha karma, the destiny you can't change easily, but that is not fully fixed. 30% is a free will, and that's where mantra works. The negative planetary placement often manifests a repetitive bad habits or a bad luck. You always say, I have always have a bad luck. I don't know, I go to do something and something stuck. Some evil eye came. Some person is making, creating blockages for me. But the mantras act like a software update. Whatever software problem you have, because I told you in last video, there are the 9 mantras in 9 planets within us. So when that planet is upset, then what you need when your software or something is updated in your any gadget, what you do? The software update. So the mantras are like the software update. Chanting 108 times daily for 40 days creates new neural pathway in the brain, helping you make better decisions that bypass the bad timing shown in your chart. If you have no belief, you can do and check. Now, what mantras do? Mantras strengthening weak planets. Sometimes a planet is good for you, like your Lagna Lord. I started with this that you have to strengthen your Lagna Lord, but it is weak in the strength, low in Shadbala. The remedy is chanting mantra of a weak but beneficial planet is like giving it a battery boost. It allows the planet to actually deliver the good result it was trying to give you. You have a very beautiful phone, Apple phone, and the battery is about to die, 10%. You say, oh, this is so good phone, I can do so many things on this phone. What you need to do, you need to put it on the charging back to get all the energy back. So this is what the mantras do. This is just a charger for you. So I want all the family members, kindly, wherever you are, predictions I do, you see, you appreciate, thank you. But this video is above prediction, because today I'm going to explain you how you can make yourself strong. And I know this thing in 2014 when I was, I go to my Guruji where I learn this astrology on the higher level. And the 75-year-old he is now, he told me, Rohit, one thing no astrologer will teach in the future, but you have to teach whenever you enter into this profession as a full time, that the most important for every person is to make the lagna strong, because lagna is you yourself. Whatever sign is there in the first house, that is your lagna, and the lord of that sign is your lagnesh, you yourself. So I will today tell you how you can make it strong. And this strengthens your weak points. Who? Mantras. If a planet that is supposed to give you money or health, and that is weak in your chart, it's like a light bulb that isn't getting enough electricity. Chanting that planet mantra is like increasing the voltage. It helps the planet actually to do its job of giving you a good results. I tell you one thing, this is 2013 when I was, about to change a job, and that was very important for me to change job. I was in media. I met my big brother. He's also astrologer. And I asked, Bhaiya, what to do? He said, you yourself learn astrology. Why you are asking me? So no, you tell me that, any barber can't cut on hairs. So need someone. So he said, you just do the Shani Bij mantra for this much specific days, and then you see the result. Are you sure? I asked this. Are you sure? He said, you do and then you tell me. I started this in September, August, June, July, August, September. I started in September. October, before it finishes, I got the call from the channel where I want to join, and join immediately there. This is a power of Bij mantras of your Lagna. As I am Capricorn, I done at that time the Shani Bij mantra for that specific period. So they fix your focus. Why? What mantras do? Like for these days. Example, when from 23 onwards, the 5 planets will be sitting together in the Aquarius. Your brain will feel like cluttered, confused. Mantras act like a reset button. They stop your mind from racing and help you focus on the one positive sound. This prevent you from making the angry or impulsive mistakes that planets are pushing you toward. That's why you see my video. I tell mantra to all what mantra you need to chant, but I think the Lagna's mantra is okay. You can do that mantra and that will definitely help for you. Now the next. Why we chant mantra only for 108 times? There is also science behind this. The people who know astrology, they know there are the 27 nakshatras and each nakshatra is divided into 4 padas, 4 equal groups, 4 equal parts. And 27 into 4 is 108. So by chanting 108 times, you are making sure the healing sound reaches every corner of the zodiac and every part of your life. So beautiful concept. And only the person like me can tell you what is the power of the mantra, because I feel this in my life every single moment. Now, why the particular sound is given to any particular planet and the mantra starts from that. So the sun, the sound, beej sound for the sun is Ram, and for the moon, Shram, and for the Mars, Kram, and for the Mercury, Brahm. Every time I'm speaking, there is one frequency connecting to that planet. Jupiter, Gram, Venus, Dram, Saturn, Pram, Rahu, Bram, Ketu, Sram. So this is a beej sound, the starting sound of the, this every planet to whom we want to please, to whom we want to make more strong. These are the sounds. And now let's go step by step. Surya, Sun Beej Mantra. This is a mantra. Kindly, all the family members, all the friends, kindly note this. If you are a Leo ascendant, now who is Leo? See your birth chart. If you have written a 5 number in the first box, you are a Leo ascendant. And making your ascendant super strong is your duty. So what you can do? You can do this mantra. Om Haram Harim Rom Seh Suryay Namah. I did this in English. I know so many family members from the different country don't know the Hindi. Om Haram Harim Rom Seh Suryay Namah. The minimum jap for this is 7,000. Day starting is Sunday. And the best hora is Sun Hora. If you check the hora today, you can write in Google. Tell me the hora for today. It will give you all hora for today. And check the sun hora. And at sunrise, see, this is a logic. Whenever there is any particular day, suppose Sunday. On Sunday, whenever there will be the sunrise, the first hora will be of sun. On Monday, whenever there will be the sunrise, the first hora will be of moon. On Tuesday, whenever there will be the day rise, the first hora on the sunrise will be of Mars. So very simple. So start in the hora of sun and the best nakshatra. Maybe you can check which nakshatra today is. The nakshatra should be Kritika, Uttra Falguni and Uttra Ashada. These are the three nakshatras of sun. So dear family member, if you are a Leo person, then kindly, the more and more you will do the japa. This minimum japa is 7,000, like this is from some particular thing. Oh, I want this thing in my life, so I will do the 7,000 japa in 40 days. You can divide this and do. But daily you can do. The more you will do, the more your lagna, your personality will be strong. Your aura will be strong. Now, no negativity can enter your aura and disturb you. So Haram Harim Rom se Surya Nama. Om Haram Harim Rom se Surya Nama. Now the moon. The Beej mantra for moon, we see there, the Beej mantra start from the Shram. So the mantra is Om Shram Shrim Shrom Seh Chandray Namah. And the minimum jap is 11,000. And the day is the Monday. When the sun rises in the Monday, the first hora will be of the moon. You can do at that time, but if you want to do in evening, then you need to check the moon hora, because every hour the hora is changing. And the best nakshatras to do the mantra of the moon is Rohini, Hasta, Shravana, all three nakshatras of moon. Now the people I seen in my life, the people who are under depression, anxiety related things, they need to chant this mantra. And you see the power. Om Shram Shrim Shrom Seh Chandraya Namaha. Om Shram Shrim Shrom Seh Chandraya Namaha. Walk under the moonlight at night if your country and weather allow, and you have moon, and chant this mantra. When you have the aura of the moon, the light of the moon, and you chant this mantra, you see your mind will be super powerful. But need to do continuously. This is like I want strength in my life. I daily take breakfast, lunch, dinner. This is not that Rohit took breakfast today. Oh, 3, 4, 5 times, and next 5 days I'm not taking anything. Do you think I will survive? Never. I need to take the diet daily. So this is why the mantra jap in your life should be the daily thing. Whenever you are free, whenever you have a time, this is how you are just accumulating the power. This is like your bank balance, your moon mantra. And now who should do this moon mantra? Any person who is a Cancer ascendant in your birth chart, if there is number 4 written in the first box, you are a Cancer ascendant. You need to do this. Any person whose moon is a week with Ketu, with Rahu, with Saturn in the 6th, in the 8th, 12, your moon is not good. So do this mantra as more as you can do. Now the next one is Mars. Kram. So what is the mantra? Om Kram Krim Krom Se Bhomai Namha. Bhomai Namah. Who is Bhomai? Why Bhomai? I told yesterday in the Mars video. Bhumi is earth. The son of earth is the Mars. So Om Kram Krim Krom Se Bhomai Namah. Minimum jap is 10,000. The day should be Tuesday when you start in the Mars Hora, and the best nakshatras, all the 3 nakshatras of Mangala, Mars, Mrigashira, Chitra, Dhanishta. And who should do? The person, if you have, see your chart, if you have written 1 number there or 8 number, you are Aries or you are Scorpio, this is your Lagnesh, and make your Lagnesh strong. And this will definitely, I told you that, Mars, what creates? Mars create anger, aggression. Now this mantra has that vibration which will soothe that anger, which will, make it more smooth, which can stop the sudden events and accidents in the life, which can control your anger. Om Kram Krim Krom Se Bhomai Namah. And you see the vibrations around you. Sit in the room alone. Close the door. And then chant the mantra, and you see the power of this mantra. And this is very beautiful mantra. I want to make a series on the mantra. This is very big topic, but today I start with you as an ascendant, so you can make your ascendant very strong. Now this is a Buddha Bij mantra. Barkri, Brahm. I told you before, the Brahm is the main. But what is the full mantra? Om Brahm Brim Brom Se Buddhaya Namah. And the minimum jap is 9,000, and the day you start with Wednesday. Best hora Mercury hora. Best nakshatra Ashlesha, Jeshta and Revati. And I told you one thing. Who need to do? First listen this thing. The people who in their birth chart, in the first box, if it is written 3 or it is written 6, you are a Gemini or a Virgo, you need to do this mantra to make your Lagna more strong. People who have Mercury moon together, they can do the both. People who have afflicted Mercury in the 6, 8, 12, you need to do this mantra. What it will do? It will enhance your speech, enhance your communication. Om Brahm Brim Brom Se Buddhaya Namaha. Your nervous system will be strong. So this is how our mantras work. Please do this. Now the Guru, Jupiter, most benefic planet. Bij mantra is Om Gram Grim Grom Seh Gurue Namaha. Om Gram Greem Grom Sah Guruve Namah. Even if you are in the Mahadasha of that planet, like I am the Jupiter Mahadasha, so I am chanting this mantra and very happy. And the minimum japa is a 19,000, and the day you start should be the Thursday, and the best hora is a Jupiter hora. And the best nakshatra is Punarvashu, Vishakha, or Purvabhadrapada. Any nakshatra you can start. And this is so powerful mantra. If you are, see your chart, if you have a written 9 number or 12 number in your first box of the chart, either you are a Sagittarius or a Pisces, the Jupiter is your Lagnesh, and you have to make your Lagnesh super strong with this mantra. And this is also good for the students who are studying. This is also good for the people who know wisdom in their life, who want a spiritual life. This mantra will make your aura so strong. You will feel the beneficness of the Jupiter in your life. Either you are in the Mahadasha, you can do. If Jupiter is have very low Shadbala, you can do. Low degree, you can do. Give your Jupiter strength. And the next is the Shukra, the Venus. The Bij mantra is Om Dram Dream Drom Sah Shukra Namah. And the minimum jap is 16,000. Day is Friday, and the best hora is the Venus hora. Best nakshatra is the Bharni, Purv Falguni, and the Purva Ashada. These three nakshatras are of the Venus, and you can start in any nakshatra in the hora of Venus on the Friday. And people who need to do, see your chart. If you in the first box of your chart, there is a number written 2 or written 7. Either you are a Taurus ascendant or a Libra ascendant. You need to do this mantra to make your Lagna strong. And for this thing, you need not to ask any astrologer. Lagna is you yourself. You can make it strong anytime. Wherever your Lagna Lord is sitting, doesn't matter. You have to make it strong because this is you. You have to fight all things. And the people who have a Venus debilitated, they can do. People who are in the Venus Mahadasha, they can do. People who have a no married life, it's not good, they can do. People who want money in their life, they can do. The prosperity they want, they can do. Venus. And now the Shani Dev mantra, which I told you when I was in need, and the maximum jap is 23,000. And the mantra is Om Pram Prim Prom Sah Shaniye Namha. I am a Capricorn. I love this mantra. Now, if you see your first box is written 10 or 11, either Capricorn or Aquarius. So you have to do this mantra to make your Lagan super strong. Day should be Saturday. And the Hora should be, Saturn's Hora. And the best nakshatra is Pushya, Anuradha or Uttar Bhadrapada. Do in any nakshatra. And again I am saying, this is one of the beautiful way to make you, yourself and your aura strong. If your aura is strong, nobody can create problems for you. When problems created, only when your aura is very low. And the Rahu, now Rahu can't be somebody's ascendant lord. But if you are into the Rahu Mahadasha, Antardasha, Pratyantardasha, your Rahu is not in good condition, giving you problems, debilitated. Om Bhram Bhrim Brom Sah Rahuve Namah. Minimum jap is 18,000. Day Saturday, and the best hora kal is Rahu Kal, and the best nakshatra is Ardra, Savati and Satbhisha. Rahu Kal. This is a kal in which we don't do anything. I will make video on this also. On the Rahu Kal, I will make special video and tell you what to do, what not to do in the Rahu Kal. But yes, if you are in the Rahu Dasha, then this mantra will do a magic for you. Because if you are into the illusions, so we need to do this mantra. Now the Ketu Bij mantra. Om Shram Shrim Shrom Sah Ketuve Namah. Ketu. Minimum japa 17,000. Day you can do Tuesday or Saturday, whatever you want. Because Ketu, we say Ketu works like Mars, so that's why on Tuesday also. And the best hora is Ketu hora, and the nakshatra Ashwini Magha Mula. In any nakshatra you can chant. If you are into the Ketu Mahadasha, Ketu is debilitated, Ketu is creating problems for you, don't be in fear. Just do this mantra. And regular, again I am saying, Now, every in mantra series, every time I will tell you one magical mantra. Now, this is a verse or a mantra from a Devi Mahatme Durga Sapshati, very powerful mantra. Now, what is this mantra? What is the meaning and what is the importance? I am going to tell you. And if I little bit, maybe I can, speak not in the proper way, kindly pardon me for that, because this is a Sanskrit and I'm not very good Sanskrit learner, but yes, I know Sanskrit. So the mantra is दुर्गे समिता हर्षे वितेश मिशेष जंतो स्वस्थे समिता मतिमति शुभाम ददासी दारिद्र दुख भय हार निकातु धन्य सर्वोपकार करना सदा आर्द चित्र. This is one of the mantras, and I told you the power of this mantra. When one day someone asked my Guruji, who is not in the bodily form now, but always with me, that he asked about that some person, that this person is very, financially very low, how he is eating food and how he is living his life, no money, again he is living, because that person daily goes to the temple and do the yagya havna and chant this mantra. This mantra is so powerful that whatever problem you have in your life, the fear, the poverty, the money issue, the power issue, whatever, this is one of the powerful mantra. Now I will explain this. What is the meaning of this mantra? O Goddess Durga, when remembered by those who are distressed, you remove the fear of all beings without exception. When remembered by those who are peaceful, you bestow an exceedingly auspicious intellect. O remover of poverty, sorrow, and fear, who other than you is always compassionate, ever intent on welfare of all. This is beautiful meaning. And the deeper spiritual meaning of this mantra. What is the material meaning? It removes fear of enemies. If you have any fear of enemies in your life, in office, in any place, do this mantra. Protect from the financial instability, daridrya. This words came in the mantra, which removes your daridrya, that means remove your poverty. It reduces emotional suffering, protects from the uncertainties and the insecurities of the life. And what are the psychological reasons? The mansik, where it works, it grants right decision making stability. Shubhamati, right decision making. And stabilizes intellect in chaos, removes irritational fear and anxiety, and develops courage and clarity. This is very, very clear meaning. Now the astrological importance. Definitely any person want to connect any mantra with astrology also. In Jyotish context, the mantra is extremely beneficial when your moon is afflicted, mental fear, instability, do this mantra. When the Mars is weak or aggressive, impulsive fear, response, do this mantra. Rahu Ketu axis. Anybody say you are in the Kal Sarp dosh, your every planet is in the Rahu Ketu axis? Do this mantra. Saturn transit causing helplessness or scarcity. You are in the Sadasati, the Saturn Mahadesha, the Daya. Regular remembrance helps in emotional regulation, fear management, strengthening mental resilience, and the remove scarcity consciousness. This is how these mantras works. And what is the practical importance of chanting this? Builds inner security, reduces panic during uncertainty, aligns intellect with dharma, enhances decision making in the crisis, protects from the negative psychological patterns, and it is not merely prayer, it is a neuro emotional stabilizer through the Shakti invocation. Very small video for today. I will make the series because today I take this the one most of the beautiful and powerful mantra. But now next onwards, I am bring a mantras relating to your studies. If you want to clear examinations, papers, I will bring mantras related to the health. I will bring mantras related to the money. And you see the power of these mantras. They actually work. Why I started today with the Bij mantras? Because this is most important for you. First off, make your aura strong, make your lagna strong. Then you do anything. If lagna me myself is not okay, then what I will do the million trillion rupees and so many cars and villas. When I am not happy, my body is not okay. So we need to start with this Bij mantras, which I told you. And again, I am telling, every mantra has a vibrations, and these vibrations reach to the planets, to the devtas, and they bless you. Thank you very much, and I hope you like this video. uh, I don't know how many views will come, but I want you to share this video to the maximum people. This is not prediction, but not less than prediction, because what is the meaning of prediction? To want to know something good about me, and you can make your good on. The people who take consultations from me, they know how positively, sattvic way, in the mantra way, I teach them what to do, when to do, which mantras, which pairs. Because you have come to me, I need to put you on the right track rather giving you the 5 magical remedies and you say, wow, what an astrologer, and then after 15 days again the same thing. So this is my duty to connect you to the right place. Thank you very much, family members. And again, I will end this video with the information that next morning, Monday morning, I am making a promise. Definitely, God give me the power that I am able to make this video. The March monthly horoscope, a complete guide to your, month of March. Thank you very much for praising, for blessing, for everything in any corner of world you are, in any country. Bless me with your blessings as your blessings, and I pray to the God, all good things happen in your life, all your dreams come true, health, wealth, whatever you want, but connect yourself to the mantra. This is my request. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Jai Mata Di, Om Namah Shivaya, Jai Ma Lakshmi, Jai Guru.